Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shockz and today I'm teaching the zipper sound. If you like beatboxing, please subscribe to my channel. I have a bunch of super cool beatboxing tutorials and videos and gaming beatboxings. So subscribe to don't lose any of them and click that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. The zipper sound. It's called zipper because it sounds like a zipper. Look at this zip. When I do it. And you can have a lot of fun with this sound, and when you do it, that's one of those sounds that you make your friends say, "Wow, what's that?" And you can use that in so many beats to end your beat or between two beats, for example. Okay, how to make that sound? It's a little weird at first and you are not gonna get it in the first attempt, so you're gonna try so hard and practice a lot. You can imagine that you are drinking with a straw in your mouth, or you are making a kissy face like this. And a lot of beatboxers make it with middle of their mouth, but I do it with the side of my mouth, the right side. And there is no difference, and you can make your sounds in the each side you want or the middle of your mouth. So imagining that a straw or kissy face is to make a very small hole in your mouth like this, and the point of that to make a straw thing or a kissy face is to make a very small hole in your mouth like this, or the left side that I don't do is, and suck the air in from that very small hole like this. Or you can do it with middle or any side that you choose, but I do it with my right side. At first you may sound like this. Or you can do this, but if you practice, you will make it more smaller and and it will sound like this. So this was it, but this is just the first step. Let's go to the second step. So the second step is to tighten your lips at the end of the sound. When you learn to do this at the end, for example in 1 or 2 seconds, you will have to tighten your lips to end the sound like this and close it. Tighten it and close it. Imagine a zip. You are closing a zip like this, or from tighten to open. You can do it that too. That doesn't sound very good, but it's a way to practice that. And don't be tired of this sound or any other sounds in beatboxing. You should practice a lot and don't say, "No, I can't do this. Oh my god, I suck in this." Don't say that. Practice, and just practice in beatboxing. All of your instruments are your mouth, your chest, your throat, and you will make it. And when you reach that sound that you like, I'm guarantee that you will be very happy and you will be excited of learning that sound. So that was it guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or any ideas or suggestions, comments down below, and if this could help you and if you could learn something, please comment down below and let me know, and subscribe, like and share this video with your friends. I will be super happy if you subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.